Cookie, what's all this new electronics and jewelry you're wearing?
Oh, well, I had a stroke 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
I'm monitoring everything going on, trying to decide what happened.
Yeah, second stroke she's had related to that dang MS. But what's important after we wrestle with that sort of a battle?
Oh, well, I seem to be fully recovered, so it's important to get back out and do the things we enjoy.
All right, where do you want to go?
Oh, let's just pop into Pineview. That's close for just a little while for my first outing.
Okay.
See if we can find the perch or some crappie or just get out.
All right, folks, there you have it for Cookie's first trip after her second stroke. MS recovery. We're going to shoot over to Pineview, see if any perch or crappie are out there. And hey, a shout out to one of our favorite people that watch our videos, Ireland Overd, way out there in Texas. Ireland, I'm going to whoop her butt this morning and catch more perch and crappie. You count on the wash.
Oh, gross. What'd you find, Cowboy?
Try it on.
Yuck, get in the
Here,
truck.
let's see.
Don't touch
Hey,
it.
let's see.
Don't
Come on.
touch it.
It might be your size.
Don't touch it.
Look like a good spot.
Or pelicans think so, so there must be something in
I'm
here.
just thinking too, and pelicans are finding something to chow on. Let's give it a go. About there, Cookie. You seen any action?
Goodness,
Got him. What you got?
yeah.
Hey, little bluegill. First fish. First stroke, post fish. Or post stroke, first fish. Oh, that's just a fish. What the heck? Hey, who are you shouting out to? Ireland. Oscar, Ireland, over first fish. Cookie, would you catch that fish? Instead of,
What's in there? It sure likes my worm every
I wish you'd quit feeding him my worms and catch him. Right there, he's taking off with your bobber. Get him when he takes your bobber like that. Right there. Got him?
No.
Hey.
Would you just let me fish? Who's the one that catches fish? Just let me do my
I bet he
thing.
stole your worm. Cookie, you're cracking me up. You're getting awfully mad. Look at that bobber drop down. You gonna catch him or just gonna let him steal more of my worms? Did you get him that time?
It's probably like 2 inches long.
It's funny. It's
Is that my worm though?
funny as heck watching you get mad at that little tiny fish stealing your worm. Did you finally get that fish?
Yeah.
How many worms did he take?
Finally, like a dozen.
A dozen? Yeah, I think we may even drop down one jig head size and take the rubber off and just play with the worm. You probably have better luck that way. But okay, 2 to 1. 2 to what?
0.
Oh,
Looky there, Ireland.
hey,
Cowboy can catch a fish.
you're not in the lead anymore. Well, you
I still am in the lead, 2 to 1.
but I'm catching up. Cookie, you got to get that hammer up faster. That was number 3 for me.
2.
3.
2.
I might be at 4.
2. That was 2.
What you got there, Cookie? Oh, your first perch.
So, let me tell you a secret, Ireland. When he starts catching more fish than you, starts catching up to you, take his fishing pole.
Yeah, you notice she's got my fishing pole now. First perch though. That's a monster too.
Tuna.
Yeah.
Oh, he's a monster. He's just a little perch.
So Cowboy, not to be outdone, had to bring in a perch as well.
All right.
Copycat.
One last fish. Whoever gets it wins the contest. Just because I'm a super nice guy, Cookie, I'm putting my fishing pole away right there, right there.
No.
Oh.
Let's be really.
Oh, 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 oh.
You're gonna have the doctor calling me wanting to know what's up with my heart monitor.
I think a little school of small perch have moved in there, so I'm gonna let Cookie get the last fish. That's what a gentleman I am. Hi, Cookie. You said last cast, and there you go, huh? What are you gonna finish up with? A bluegill? All right.
Cookie, what do you think?
I think I won, and I think it's time to go home.
Oh, there he goes.
He thinks so too.
Hey, Oscar, Cat, and the kids. We'll see you maybe on the 4th, huh? How about your last trip or your first trip out after the stroke?
It was a beautiful, beautiful morning. About a dozen pelicans swimming around us fishing, so that's how we knew there was fish here.
Yeah. Hey, if you got some young kids, that's a hoot. That's just a little bobber, jig, 2 foot down, tiny piece of a worm.
Little tiny hook.
They're up in the grass. They're waiting for you. Come get them.